Hi guys, today is Sunday and we are here at Bladensburg River and we are going to do the kayaking. So I'm gonna use the inflatable kayak that my daughter bought the other week. Okay, so Logan is trying to set up the kayak, inflatable kayak. So this is all around Bladensburg River. It is so nice to do the kayaking here. So nice to kayak here. The water is so calm. That's why my daughter bought her own kayak because the rental is very expensive, guys. So right now I think the rental is $40 per hour. Yeah, and I think that's good for two already. All right. So in a few minutes we will be kayaking. Okay, so that's the rental office over there. It's really expensive, guys, for the kayak, for renting a kayak. So I'm gonna try it today. I'm gonna try kayaking using the inflatable kayak. Oh, it's done. It's just quick.
Almost.
But I'm gonna save it for Mama.
So Leon, how much is the rental?
$3 for canoe. Well, we're doing canoes.
Oh,
30.
it's not $40 up for the kayak. It's $40 per hour or no?
No, it's 25.
25 per hour. Oh, per day.
Yeah, but it'll be more expensive if we all got our own kayak.
That's why we need to. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna buy my own, like for like next year and stuff.
Well, you know what? The weight limit is 220 pounds, so you're gonna get it next.
So, Ma, you want to be on your own here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I sit there and you just carry me, Kyle?
No. Wait, Carl, do you want to get in one of these? made it a canoe. Because if anything, me and Logan could be on the canoe.
Maybe. I don't know if I'll. Because you all keep saying that I can't.
Well, it
No,
says-
you can,
it says
because I
max-
misread this. I thought it was talking about this 165. It's not that. It's this right here, 220 pounds.
Do you think you'd want to go this way? Okay. I'll just tell them, wait, Logan, do you mind going up canoe with me?
Yeah, I'll go with it.
All right, so let's start.
Okay.
All right, guys.
You
We're
should
gonna
see
go
the
down
vlog
to
I
the
had,
water.
like,
Wait, we're not
were
done
talking
setting
about
up
how-
yet.
Oh, not yet.
You were saying, oh, you
I gotta put the skebs on.
Oh yeah, yeah.
put a gift in it. Like,
So Kyle, it's gonna be Kyle and Mama together.
Huh?
Kyle and Mama. Because me and Logan will go on the boat.
Oh. Oh, you're again my partner now?
You're
Just
Mama?
like in Isla Mujeres?
yes.
Yeah. This is yours.
Alright,
Alright, Leah, how do we get our
Okay,
boats?
okay,
Wait, we
okay.
have to wait
We'll
till-
show you.
All right.